we get an equation dr by dit is equal to r dot is equal to root of 2 by mu e minus u effective. In this equation, rearranging this equation, we get dr is equal to dt root of 2 by mu into e minus u effective into dt, or dr divided by root of 2 by mu e minus u effective is equal to dt. Integrating both sides, we get integral over in LHS RA to R dr divided by root of 2 by mu e minus u effective is equal to t0 to t dt is equal to t minus t0. After integrating this equation, we get r as a, the position vector as a function of r as a function of t. Then to find the theta as a function of t, we take the equation L is equal to mu r square theta dot. In this, from this equation, theta dot is equal to L by mu r square. Then theta dot means d theta divided by dt is equal to L by mu r square. Then d theta is equal to L by mu r square into dt. Then d theta is equal to L by mu r square dt. Then integrating both sides, we get theta 0 to theta d theta is equal to L by mu r square integral over t0 to t dt, or theta minus theta 0 is equal to t0 to t L by mu r square into dt. After integrating this equation, we get theta as a function of t. To find r as a function of theta, from these two equations, we get r as a function of t, then theta as a function of t. Then we find r as a function of theta. For this, we take the equation dr by dt and d theta by dt. R as a function of t. Then d theta by dt divided by d theta by dt divided by dr by dt, we get d theta by dt into dt divided by dr. dt cancel, we get d theta by dr. Then d theta by dr is equal to d theta by dt. d theta by dt is L by mu r square into dr by dt is root of 2 by mu e minus u effective. Then dt by dr is equal to 1 by root of 2 by mu e minus mu effective. Then we get d theta dt by dr is 1 by root of 2 by mu e minus u effective. This gives r as a function of theta, which is the path of the particle and the solution of the central force problem. From these two equations, d theta by dt, after solving these three equations, dr by dt and d theta by dt and d theta by dr, we get the solution of central force motion. Thank you.